Hello students, welcome to GAPL e-learning. Last time we saw how to mark coordinates or different points on a coordinate plane. If the coordinate plane is having x and y axis, then we saw how to mark different points, right? So this time what we will see is if by using this coordinate geometry आम्ही या फावटी आता कितें पळोवया की how we can you make use of this coordinate geometry to find the distance between two points. For example पळय हो हांगा आसा राइट आनी तो ताका डिस्टन्स मेजपा जाय खंयच्यान from this point to this point. So we'll see how will you make use of this coordinate geometry to measure the distances, or say for example आमच्याकडे एक suppose rectangle असा or say triangle असा triangle right आमच्याकडे एक triangle असा आणि आमकां ताजो suppose area find करपा जाय जाल्यारूय आमी पळयतले how we can make use of coordinate geometry coordinate geometry to find the area of triangle. So let us start. So first we'll see what is distance formula, all right. So आमच्याकडे ही परत आमची coordinate geometry झाली, आमचो coordinate plane झालो. This is our x axis, right? And this is what? This is our y axis, हो आमचो origin. And suppose आमच्याकडे हांगा एक असा line, आणि let this be the coordinates. Let this coordinate be x1 comma y1, and let this coordinate be x2 comma y2. And suppose हांवें तुमकां सांगले what is the distance between this point and this point. Let this coordinate be x1 comma y1, and let this coordinate be x2 comma y2. And what is this distance now between this point and this point? तर आम्ही कशें फाइंड करपाक शकता? Very simple, right? हाजे coordinate कितें वो, since this point is at origin, what are the coordinates of this? This will be definitely 0 comma 0, right? Because the coordinates of origin are always 0 comma 0. थंयच्यान start जाता न्ही, so this is 0 comma 0. Let this coordinate be say 6 comma 0. Again this y2 will be 0. Why this y2 will be 0? Because this again still it is on the x-axis, right? So this coordinate is 0 comma 0, and let this coordinate, the coordinate of this point be 6 comma 0. जाल्यार म्हाका सांगा आता what will be the distance between this point and this point? सामके easy. कशें find करतले आमी distance between this point and this point? Since this is a perfect horizontal line, and both y1 and y2 is 0, the distance between this point and this point in this case will be nothing but x2 minus x1. And what is that? x2 is also 6 and x1 kitlo asa 0. So what will be the distance? 6 units. Easy, right? So this will be the distance between this point and this point here will be 6. Anek example give you. There is one line here now. I mean there are 2 points here. Let again this coordinate will be this coordinate. This coordinate will be now again x1 comma y1, and this coordinate will be x2 comma y2. So coordinate किती धरया? Let this be say 3 comma 3, and let us say this value is 9 comma 3. But since this is a perfectly horizontal line, y1 and y2 will be same. If you remember what was our y1 is nothing but distance between this point and this axis, right? Perpendicular distance between this point and our x-axis. So this is 3, and since this is perfectly horizontal line, even this will be 3. So y1 and y2 both are 3. So in this case, how we'll find the distance between this point and this point? Kasha find करतले आमी? Again same formula. It will be nothing but x2 minus x1. Since this is a perfectly horizontal line, it will be again x2 minus x1. So kitlo zalo? 9 minus 3, and again this is coming as 6 units. So if the line is perfectly horizontal line, then the distance between the 2 points will be nothing but x2 minus x1. Fine. So आम्ही हांगाच्यान कितें शिकले? If the line is a perfect horizontal line, then the distance between the 2 points will be x2 minus x1. Now we'll take the next case. आता ह्या केसीन कितें आसा? Here we have a perfectly vertical line. Here there were horizontal lines, right? Similarly here we have perfectly vertical line. So since this is perfectly vertical line, let this coordinate be again x1 comma y1, and let this coordinate be x2 comma y2. And in this case, since this is a perfectly horizontal line, again this origin, since this is origin, the coordinate of this point will be again nothing but it will be 0 comma 0. So our x1 will be 0, y1 will be 0. Why? Because this is at the origin. But what about this coordinate x2 comma y2? It will be, x will be 0, right? X will be 0 since it is on y axis. X will be 0, and let y2 be say 5 units. Let y2 be 5 units. Now tell me, प्लीज थिंक प्रॉपरली हां, वो व्हिडिओ पॉज करात आणि 1 मिनिट चितात आणि सांगा म्हाका नाव व्हॉट विल बी द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट. Now, since this is perfectly vertical line, the distance will not be x2 minus x1, but in this case it will be y2 minus y1, and that will be nothing but phi minus 0 which is equal to phi units. Fine. So आम्ही हांगा कितें शिकता की suppose say if the line is perfectly horizontal meaning it is parallel to x-axis. Suppose say if line is perfectly horizontal, the distance between the 2 points will be x2 minus x1. But suppose say line is perfectly vertical, then the distance between the 2 points will be y2 minus y1. Fine. So this is very important. All right. So अनेक example घेऊया आम्ही. हांगा आमचे अनेक line आसा. And let the coordinates of this line again, this point, let us call it as x1 comma y1. Let us call this point as x2 comma y2. आता म्हाका सांगात हाजी distance, what will be the distance between this point and this point. So for that you will first require coordinates, right? So हाजो आमी coordinate म्हणया, let us say 3 comma 2, and let this coordinate be say 3 comma 9. Fine. And then since this is again a perfectly vertical line, samki ubi line niti, samki ubi line asa, right? So because of that, what will be our distance formula in this case? It will be same as this. It will be again y2 minus y1, and this will be nothing but 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. So ह्या हातूंतल्यान आमी कितें शिकले? Suppose if a line is perfectly horizontal, सामकी आडवी line आसा जाल्यार the distance between 2 points will be x2 minus x1. Whereas suppose if the line is perfectly vertical, or suppose the line is सामकी उबी line आसा, then the distance between those 2 points will be y2 minus y1. This side it is x2 minus x1, this side it is y2 minus y1. याद उरतली न्ही? उरपाकूच जाय. नेक्स्ट, आता म्हणल्यार आमी पयले ते लायन आशिल्ले एक तर सामकी आडवी लायन आसताली नाल्यार सामकी उबी लायन आसताली, रायट? इट वॉज परफेक्टली हॉरिझॉन्टल लायन और परफेक्टली वर्टिकल लायन. बट नाव वॉट अबाउट दिस लायन नाव? ही लायन किती आसा आमची? इज इट परफेक्टली हॉरिझॉन्टल? इज इट पॅरलल टू एक्स एक्सिस? नो. इज इट परफेक्टली वर्टिकल? Is it parallel to y-axis? No. So this is neither a perfectly horizontal line nor it is a perfectly vertical line. आता आमकां फॉर्म्युला लागतलो हाज्या खातीर. आता इतले इजी आसपा ना ते आमी लास्ट टायम केला तशें, पण भिवपाची कांयच गरज ना. It is very easy formula. Suppose say this point is x1 comma y1, and suppose say this is x2 comma y2. So to find the distance between this point and this point, can I just say it is x2 minus x1? No. Why? Because it is not a perfectly horizontal line. Can I call it as y2 minus y1? No. What is the reason? Again same thing, it is not a perfectly vertical line. So हाज्या खातीर आमी कशें फायंड करया हाजो डिस्टन्स? So as I already told you, भिवपाची कांयच गरज ना. सो आमी कितें करतले? Formula derive करूया. सामको easy formula. I will draw one line here, perfectly horizontal vertical line. I will draw one more line here, perfectly horizontal line. In that case, what will be the coordinate of this point? हाजो coordinate कितें आसतलो? हाजो coordinate, this will be nothing but this will be x2, right? This will be x2. हांगाच्यान हांगा x2, and what will be y coordinate? It will be y1. So हाजो coordinate आसतलो x2 and y1. फाइन. आणि आमकां ते डिस्टन्स कोणाचो फाइंड करपा जाय? हाजो. let this point be say A and let this point be say B. आता आमका AB फाइंड करपा जाय. आमच्याकडे सपोज let this point be say C. आमका CB कितली खबर आसा, आमका AC कितली खबर आसा, आमका फाइंड कितें करपा जाय, what is AB. कशें फाइंड करतले आमी? You know it, right? Since this is right angle, we will have to use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem now? Pythagoras theorem is nothing but it says that AB square, this square, should be equal to CB square plus CA square. Yes or no? Right? Pythagoras theorem tells us that this square should be equal to this square plus this square. Now what is CB? What is CB? CB is nothing but this is perfectly vertical line, right? And what is the distance to calculate? What is the formula to calculate the distance of perfectly vertical line? Yes, you are right. It is y2 minus y1, right? The formula to calculate the distance of the perfectly vertical line is y2 minus y1. But hanga square asa न्ही, so ताका आमी square घालया. And then what is AC? It is perfectly horizontal line. So what is the formula to calculate the distance of a perfectly horizontal line? It will be x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. Anything will work. And again this is square. So how we will calculate the distance of this line AB? So AB will be equal to वर आमी square असा तो यासीन मारी आमी किती जातलो आमचो square root जातलो, and this will be equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. सो आता तुमकां कळ्ळेच आसतले. सो हेज्या फुडें सपोज आमकां अशी एक खंयची एक रँडम लायन मेळ्ळी जाल्यार आमी ताजी लेंथ आमी तेजे डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द टू पॉयंट्स ऑफ दॅट लायन, how we will calculate the distance? By using this formula. It will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. सामकें इजी न्ही. सो आता आमी कितें करया, आमी एक एग्जांपल घेवया. सपोज से दिस पॉइंट is say 2,5 and let this point be say 6,1, right? So and if someone asks you now to find the distance between this point A and B, what you will do? You will use straight away this formula, right? So the distance between AB will be nothing but it will be square root of, what is the formula? X2 minus x1 the whole square. What is x2 now? x2 is 2. What is x1? 6. So 2 minus 6 the whole square plus what is y2? y2 is 5. What is y1? y1 is 1. So it will be 5 minus 1 the whole square. So हाजे कितले जातले? 2 minus 6 the whole square म्हणल्यार 4 square जालो, right? Plus 5 minus 1 the whole square, again it is 4 square. So 4 square plus 4 square, 4 square kitlo? 16 plus 16, right? So 16 plus 16 kitlo atalo? 32. So this will be equal to, so this distance will be equal to root of 32. So this will be the distance, root of 32 will be the distance between A and B. Easy ni? सामके easy. So आम्ही किती फाइंड केले? हेच आता आम्ही पहिले, right? To find the distance between the 2 points A and B ही line असा नी आमची AB line असा. So distance between A and B will be what? Will be nothing but square root of, आता आम्ही पहिलो तोच formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Suppose आमच्याकडे अनेक line असा, fine, and that line starts from origin. It starts from what? It starts from origin and it ends at here at point P, and that, so what will be the distance between this line between this point O and P? Has a coordinate किती? Since it is from origin, it will be 0, 0. So what will be the length of OP? OP will be nothing but root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. So what is x2 minus x1? x2 here is x, whereas x1 is 0. So this will be x minus 0 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is y2? y2 is y here, right? And what is y1? It is 0 the whole square. So has a formula किती जातलो? x square plus y square, right? And तोच formula पळय हांगा बरयला. So distance from origin to a point P. So whenever we want to find the distance from a point of origin to any point P, it will be nothing but it will be root of x square plus y square. So these are the simple formulas which we'll have to remember to find the distance between any 2 points, provided we know the coordinates of those points. Fine. So here आम्ही यूज करतले. So हाजेर आम्ही मागीर थोडी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करूया. ऑल राइट. सो तसोच आता तुमच्याकडे सपोज एक लाइन आसा. फायन. अशीच आमच्याकडे एक लाइन आसा आणि तो कितें म्हणटा, हाजो कोऑर्डिनेट इज x1, y1. हाजो कोऑर्डिनेट इज x1, y1 आणि ह्या पॉइंटाचो कोऑर्डिनेट कितें x2, y2 आणि ताजो एक मिड पॉइंट आसा. मिड पॉइंट म्हणल्यार कितें, मदलो पॉइंट. राइट. एक लायनीचो सामको मदलो पॉइंट. येस और नो. सो आम्ही आता कितें करतले, विल सी हाउ टू फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए गिवन लाइन. तुमकां कितें दिसता कितें आसतलें? सो हाच्या खातीर आमी एक एग्जांपल घेवया. राइट. सो हांगा आमच्या कडेन एक लाइन आसा. इट इज ए परफेक्टली हॉरिझॉन्टल लाइन. लेट अस से दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर 3, 0 and say 7, 0. फाइन. सो आता आमी हाजो आमकां मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करपा जाय. कशें आमी फाइंड करतले? इट इज वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू एड दिस x2 and x1. So x2 plus x1 कितलो जातलो? 7 plus 3 will be 10. Right. So it will be x2 plus x1 कितलो जालो? It will be 7 plus 3. It will be 10. So 10 जालो. हाका आमी कितें करतले? Just divide this by 2. Fine. So if I divide this by 2, I will get this as 5. So this 5, 0 will be the midpoint of this perfectly horizontal line. So similarly, the midpoint here, the coordinates of this midpoint will be x1 plus x2 by 2. And तसोच आता मी xाचो पळयल्लो पळयात, तसोच आमकां yचो midpoint काडपाक जाय जाल्यार same thing, y1 plus y2 by 2. सामकें इजी न्ही. So this midpoint will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. आणि ताजो सेकंड हांगा दोन कोऑर्डिनेट्स आसतले न्ही. खंयच्या पॉइंटाक दोन कोऑर्डिनेट आसता, x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट. x कोऑर्डिनेट आमकां कसो मेळटलो? x1 plus x2 by 2. आता आमी हांगा केल्ले न्ही 3 plus 7 by 2. तशेंच y कोऑर्डिनेट आमी कसो फाइंड करतलो मिड पॉइंटाचो? y1 plus y2 by 2. फॉर एग्जांपल हांगा आमच्या कडेन अशी एक लाइन आसा and suppose say this coordinate is 1, 3 and this is say 4, 8. हाजे आमी मिड पॉइंट कसो फाइंड करतलो? It will be x1 plus x2 by 2. So आमकां मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करपाक जाल्यार x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 कितलो जालो? 4 plus 1 is 5, right? So 4 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is 2.5. So x coordinate will be 2.5, comma, what is y coordinate? y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 कितलो आसा? 3. y2 कितलो आसा? 8. So this will be 3 plus 8 by 2. So 8 plus 3 is 11 by 2, which is 5.5. So this will be 5.5. So this will be our midpoint of this line. फाइन. हाजेरूय आमी एक एग्जांपल मागीर सॉल्व करतले. नाव विल कम टू ए सेक्शन फॉर्मुला. कशें आसता? सपोज एक पॉइंट आसा आणि सपोज से that is dividing this line x1, y1, x2, y2 in terms of say m1 and m2. म्हणजे कितें? हाजेर एक आमी एग्जांपल घेवन पळोवया. राइट. सो इफ I have here one line, if I have here one line, and suppose say suppose the length of this line is say 10, and I am dividing this line by some point, and not exactly at the center but by some fraction. So let us say this is say 4 and this is 6. हाजे सपोज हांगा सपोज हांव ताजे 4 वाट्यान डिवाइड करता आणि हाजे सपोज 6 वाट्यान डिवाइड करता ताका, जाल्यार that will be nothing but these will be individual line segments, and this will be called as m1 and this will be called as m2 of this total length. In that case, how I should find this coordinate x and y? कशें आमी find करतले? So for that I have here very easy formula. That is, suppose say if I want to find x, then since I want to find x, what I will have to do is, since I need to find x, I will first take this and I will multiply with this x2. Then I will add, then I will multiply this with x1, and then I will divide this by x1 plus x2. Fine. So what I said, was of part asa, since I am first talking about x, so x च्या साइडीक कितें आसा m1, so m1 multiplied by x2 plus m2 multiplied by x1 and divided by m1 plus m2. तशें जाल्यार how I will be able to find this y सांगपाक शकता तुम्ही? Very simple, right? What we will do, we'll first multiply m2 by y1, m2 by y1 plus m1 by y2 divided by again m1 and m2. हांगा x म्हणजे हांगा आमकां x आसचोच पडलो, हांगा y म्हणजे आमकां y आसचोच पडलो. So this is our section formula, all right? So हाजेरूय आमी एक मागीर problem solve करूया. Now finally एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल फॉर्म्युला. आता तुम्ही म्हणटले ए सर हे आनी कितें एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, हे आमी केन्नाच्यान शिकत आयला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. वॉट इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल हांवें विचारलें जाल्यार आमचे बाय टिना म्हणटले एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल न्ही सर, व्हेरी सिंपल, इट इज हाफ इंटू बेज इंटू हायट. येस, यू आर करेक्ट टिना, द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज हाफ इंटू बेज इंटू हायट. पूण केन्ना सपोज से आमच्या कडेन नायसली इफ वी हॅव वन बेज एंड नायसली वी कॅन सी हाऊ मच इज द हायट. सपोज आमकां बेज कितली ती खबर आसा and suppose आमकां हायटूय कितली ती खबर आसा जाल्यार we can very easily use this formula, right? For example, suppose say if this base is 30 and suppose say if this height is say 40, then what will be the area of triangle here? Half into base 30 into height कितली आसा 40, so this will be 20, so this will be 600. Fine, you are correct. Suppose आमच्या कडेन इतलो सिंपल ट्रायंगल आशिल्लो जाल्यार this would have been our formula, half into base into height. But what if I have this kind of triangle wherein I don't know here what is its base or I don't know what is its height. फक्त आमकां खबर आसा ते ताजे coordinates x1 y1 of this vertices. I know the coordinate of this vertices, that is x1 y1. Suppose say if I know the coordinate of this vertices, say x2 y2, and suppose say if I know the coordinate of this vertices, say x3 y3. In this case tina सांगपाक शकता तू what will be the formula to calculate the area of triangle? Now right, it won't be as straightforward as our previous formula, that is half into base into height. So haja khatir आम्ही कितें करतले, we'll have to remodify our previous formula in terms of our coordinates. And please observe here, all right, if I want to formulate this formula, you need to make sure that this coordinates x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3, they are in terms of in anti-clockwise direction. They are named in anti-clockwise direction. म्हणजे कितें, सपोज x1 y1 हांगा आसलो जाल्यार x2 y2 हांगाच येवचो पडटलो आणि x3 y3 हांगाच येवचो पडटलो. सो आमी कशें येयले 1 2 3 1 2 3 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, राइट, 1 2 3 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. आमचो क्लॉक कसो फिरता असो ह्या डायरेक्शनान, राइट. क्लॉक रोटेट्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन. बट in this case if I want to use the formula of area of triangle in terms of coordinates, I will have to mark these coordinates always in terms of anti-clockwise direction. Please remember this, all right. So in this case our formula will be this. आता तुम्ही म्हणटले अरे बापरे सर हो कितलो डिफिकल्ट फॉर्म्युला, कसो याद दवरपाचो. आमी आसतना कांयच भिवपाची गरज ना. All right, I will show you a easy method to remember this formula. Only thing what you need to make sure is the coordinate should be always named in terms of anti-clockwise direction. आता हा फॉर्म्युला आमी कसो याद दवरतले, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC, आमचे coordinates ABC marked in anti-clockwise direction. So area of triangle ABC will be equal to, तुमकां याद आसतली हाफ इंटू बेज इंटू हायट, राइट. आमचो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल वाज हाफ इंटू बेज इंटू हायट. सो तो हाफ तसोच उरतलो, राइट, हाफ तसोच उरतलो. मागीर फर्स्ट कितें आमचो स्टार्ट खंयच्यान जाता, वनाच्यान, राइट. सो आय हॅव हियर x1. आता x1च्या ओपोजीट खंयचे y कोऑर्डिनेट्स आसा, y2 आनी y3, बरोबर. x1 आमी धरलो, ताजे ओपोजीट खंयचे y कोऑर्डिनेट्स आसा, y2 आनी y3. सो x1 टाइम्स y2 मायनस y3. मागीर कितें उरलो, x1 जालो आमचो. मागीर कितें उरलो आता x2 टाइम्स x2 च्या ऑपोजिट खंयचे y कोऑर्डिनेट्स आसा, y3 आनी y1, राइट. सो इट विल बी y3 मायनस y1 प्लस आता खंयचो उरलो आमचो x कोऑर्डिनेट, x3 उरलो. आता x3 च्या ऑपोजिट खंयचे आमचे y कोऑर्डिनेट्स आसा, y1 and y2. सो इट विल बी y1 मायनस y2. So this is our formula. area of triangle in terms of coordinate is nothing but half. आमचो पयलो so half times x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this will be our formula. Fine, this will be our formula to calculate the area of triangle. But again, in order to use this formula, always this coordinate should be labeled in terms of anti-clockwise direction. अनेक तुमका example म्हणून देता हांव. Suppose say if I'm marking now this as x1 and y1, then where should be my x2 and y2? Can I mark it here? No. तशें जाल्यार आमी कितें जातले? We are moving in clockwise direction, right? But as I said, it should be always marked in terms of anti-clockwise. म्हणजे हो suppose आमचो vertices जालो x1 y1, then this vertices should be x2 and y2. Fine, because this will be anti-clockwise direction. This will be anti-clockwise direction, and then this point will be x3 and y3. And तशेंच वो आमचो x1 y1 आशिल्लो जाल्यार x2 y2 would have been this, x3 y3 would have been this. Always remember the naming should be done in anti-clockwise direction. So we have seen almost all the formulas. Fine, now we will start solving some basic problems. So I need to find the distance between the 2 points 2, 3 and 4, 1. So, right, 2, 3 and 4, 1. So सगळ्यान पयली कितें करया आमी? We will draw one rough coordinate plane. वो आमचो जालो x axis, वो आमचो जालो y axis. Now where will be our 2, 3? 2 in x direction, right? Where will be this point 2? 2 will be in x direction. Let me use some different color. All right, हेदोच्यान आमी एकूच कलरान बरयता असा y जायलो, right? So 2, 3. So 1, 2, right? So 2 zalo and 3 where? 1, 2, 3. So this will be our point, right? This will be our point. This will be our point. And what will be the coordinate of that point? 2, 3. This will be 2, 3. And the second coordinate is 4, 1. So since this is 2, this will be somewhere 3. This will be 4. So this will be 4 and 1. I need to go on top. So this will be my point. This will be my point 4, 1. So this will be my line from here to here, right? So this will be my line 4, 1. 2, 3 and 4, 1 line. So this line haven't hanga draw kala, all right? So this is my point 2, 3 and this is my point 4, 1. Sangat poya how I will find the distance between the 2 points P and Q. What was our formula? PQ. I lost my pen. So PQ is nothing but root of किती आशिल्लो आमचो formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. हांगा what is x2 and what is x1? बेस्ट रेफरन्स खातीर आमी वो म्हणे आमचो point x1 y1 and this is our point x2 and y2. So what is x2 minus x1? It will be 4 minus 2, right? 4 minus 2 the whole square plus what will be y2 minus y1? It will be 1 minus 3 the whole square. 1 minus 3 the whole square. So कितलो जातलो? 4 minus 2 किती जालो? 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 square कितलो जालो परत? 2 square. So this will be 4 plus 4, right? So 4 plus 4 is nothing but how many 4s? I have 2 4s, right? 1 and 2. So I can very well write this as 2 into 4, right? Because 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 into 4 is also 8. So further I can write this as where I should write, please excuse me, I will write it here, alright? So this 2 into 4, I will write this as root 2 multiplied by root 4. So what is root of 4? Root of 4 is 2, right? 2 multiplied by and root 2. So this is 2, right? So the distance between P and Q is nothing but 2 into root 2. And आमचो बाब John म्हणटा it is 2 into root 2. So his answer is correct. So this problem shouldn't be difficult for you. तुमच्यान easily असले कसले problem solve करपाक जातले provided you remember this formula. Next example घेऊया. हांगा आमकां कितें म्हणटा तो we'll have to find this midpoint, all right? We'll have to find this midpoint. So let me use now some different color with this pen and we'll solve this problem now, all right? So तुमकां याद आसतली midpoint formula आमचो कितें म्हणटा how to find the midpoint of this. So x, y will be nothing but how to find midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2 and y आमचं किती असतलो y1 plus y2 by 2, right? So किती म्हणता तो, if the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A and B is P and he's saying that this x plus y minus 10 will be 0. So हांगा तेणे आमकां अनेक कंडिशन दिला. What are these x and y? It is x plus y. I should also have it as 10, and then he's asking us to find the value of k, and then what we'll use for this, since he has said that this is the midpoint, I will use my midpoint formula. आम्ही straight away midpoint formula use करूया, काहीच भिना असताना. All right, so this will be my x1 comma x2 and this will be my this will be my x1 comma y1 and this will be my x2 comma y2. So what is x1 plus x2? It will be 3 plus k. So this will be 3 plus k by 2. And what will be y1 plus y2? Y1 is 4, y2 is 6. So this will be 4 plus 6 by 2. So what will be my this point P of x comma y? It will be 3 plus k by 2 and this is 4 plus 6 is 10, right? So 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So I got x as x आमका किती मेळो? I got this x as 3 plus k by 2 and आमका y किती मेळो? 5. So I got this as my midpoint, all right? पण आमका किती करपा जाय? We need to find this k. So to find this k, we know already one more condition. What is the condition? This x plus y should be equal to 10, right? Because x plus y minus 10 is 0. X plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So how much should be this x plus y? Yeah, I mean minus 10 cancelled in value, x plus y should be equal to 10. But what is x? X we got it as 3 plus k by 2. What is y? It is 5, should be equal to 10. So 5 हांवें suppose त्या साइडीन व्हेलें, आमकां कितें मेळटलें? 3 plus k by 2 will be equal to 5, right? Because this will be 10 minus 5. So if I want to find this k, what I need to do? I will have to multiply this 2 by this 5. So further what I will get from here? 3 plus k will be equal to 2 into 5. This will be equal to 10. So how much will be k? K will be 7. So this is how, by using the midpoint formula, we have found the value of this k. So what will be the coordinate of this b? It will be 7 comma 6. Fine. So this is how we can use the different formulas. So finally what we will do is, as a last example of this topic, we will try to find the area of the triangle whose vertices are this. And then you already know the formula, right? We will straight away use this formula. So if I call this as x1 x2, I mean x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, I can straight away substitute it here and find the area. But before that what we will do is, आम्ही मातशी check करूया हो आमचा triangle कसो दिसतलो तो. For example, if I have this coordinate system, where will be this first point? हो आमचा first point 1 minus 1 काय असतलो? 1 minus 1 will be 1 minus 1. Where will be 1 minus 1? Where will be this first point? 1 in this side. So let this be 1 and then minus 1 will be down. So this will be somewhere here will be our first coordinate. So this will be 1 comma minus 1. Second point minus 4 comma 6. Minus 4 will be this side, right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and then magir 6 on top. So 6 is plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be somewhere here, right? So this point will be minus 4 comma 6. What point has minus 3 comma minus 5? So minus 3 again this side, right? 1, 2, 3 somewhere here, and then minus 5 will be down. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So somewhere here this will be our point. So this will be minus 3 comma minus 5. So हे आमचे points आले. So आमचा हाजेर, so in order to get this triangle we will have to join these 3 points. हे आमका 3 point join करचे पडटले. 1, point 2, point 3. Suppose ते आम्ही join केले जाल्यार we will get this triangle, right? So आम्ही हांगा तो आमचो easy formula use करपा शकता. Which was our easy formula? that the area of triangle is half into base into height. Can we use it here? No, because आमकां खबर ना न्ही खंयची base खंयची height हाजी ती. But we can very well make use of this coordinate formula to calculate the area of triangle. So this is our x1 y1, this is our x2 y2, and this is our x3 y3. परत पळया आता लक्ष दिया आता हांवें मार्क पॉइंट कशें मार्क केला in terms of anti-clockwise direction. So हातून now we'll use this formula to calculate the area of triangle ABC. Our formula is half times x1 आमचो कितलो आसा 1, आणि what is y2 minus y3? y2 minus y3 is 6 minus of minus 5, right? y2 minus y3 आमचो y3 कितलो y2 कितलो आसा 6 and y3 कितलो आसा minus 5 plus how much is x2 is minus 4 times y3 कितलो आसा y3 is minus 5 and minus y1 कितलो आसा minus 1 plus x3 कितलो आसा आमचो x3 is minus 3 times y1 minus y1 कितलो आसा आमचो minus 1 minus y2 कितलो आसा आमचो 6. So this is our formula. So हेतून आमी हे सगळे सबस्टिट्यूट केला. सपोज तुमकां कन्फ्युजन जाता न्ही तुमी हांगा सारखे बरयात एक कडेन x1 is कितलो 1. How much is x2? minus 4. How much is x3? minus 3, right? x1 is 1, x2 is minus 4, x3 is minus 3. So how much is y1? y1 is minus 1. How much is y2 is 6. And how much is y3 is minus 5. So हे सगळे तुम्ही हांगा सारखे सबस्टिट्यूट करात. ऑल राइट. सो तुमकां वो इक्वेशन अशें आमकां इक्वेशन मेळटलें. सो फर्दर वील सिम्प्लिफाय दिस. आमी सिम्प्लिफाय करया हे, राइट? सो 6 minus and minus it will become plus 5 plus. So this plus will go because we have here minus sign, right? So minus 4 times वो आमचो minus 5 and this minus and minus will become plus 1, right? And तशेंच हांगा परत आमकां minus sign आसा. So this will be minus 3 times minus 1 minus 6. So वो कितलो जातलो half times 6 plus 5, this will become 11. Then this will become minus 5 plus 1, so this will become minus 4, right? This will become minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4, this will be plus 16. All right. आणि मागीर हांगा किती जातले minus 1 and minus 6 will become minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 3, this will become plus. Minus into minus will become plus, and 7 into 3 will become 21. So half of all this, so this will become half of 11 plus 16 plus 21 कितले जातले. सो पयली आमी हेच ऐड करया a आणि a. So this will become 27 plus 21. 27 plus 21, what it will be? 27 plus 21 will be 48. So half of 48. And how much is half of 48? Half of 48 is 24. So area of triangle ABC is 24 unit square, right? Areas are always measured in terms of square. Unit can be anything, mm or meter or centimeter, but in this case it is coming as 24 unit square. So with this, I'm sure you are now confident enough to solve any kind of problem under this topic, coordinate geometry. All right. Thank you, everyone.